All right, guys, when we're talking about marketing for motivated sellers, I want to break it down into two core concepts. Number one is building your list. Number two is going to be marketing for motivated sellers. So number one, build your list. Why is building your list important? Building your list is important because we want to constantly be growing our database of motivated sellers, of buyers, of investors and JV partners. We constantly want to be growing and expanding, and the best way to do this is to make sure that we're archiving every single lead that comes into our pipeline, right? So the first step in marketing for motivated sellers is going to be building your list. The easiest way to get here, we're going to do two core concepts. Number one, driving for dollars. Now, driving for dollars, most of you have heard about. For those of you that don't know what this is, we're simply getting in our car and driving different neighborhoods in our local municipality. In this process, we're looking for houses that look distressed, have lots of leaves in the driveway, shutters coming down, windows boarded up. Any type of distress that you can see where the house looks like it has not been taken care of, you want to make sure that you're archiving that address. Now, starting off on a free budget, of course, you can just write that down in your note section on your phone. However, using Deal Machine as a Driving for Dollars app is probably the most efficient way to start building your list of distressed properties in the Driving for Dollars method, right? You can sign up for $50 a month. In fact, we have a link inside of this training that gives you a free membership where you can test drive this in the beginning stages. And the second best way to build your list is to go to a software program. Now, there's a couple different programs in the industry. However, the most widely used would be PropStream, right? PropStream is a great tool. For one, you can look up recent comps and sold properties. You can look at tax information, property owner info, but it's a great place to pull motivated seller lists. And you can break these lists down by motivation levels. You can target vacant properties, you can target pre-probate, you can target tired landlords, tax delinquents. However you want to manipulate and stack that list, you can do so. Now, we'll go into depth with the psychology and how you're breaking down each of these lists on some more in-depth training with PropStream. But to keep this simple, building your list, guys, we're focusing on two pillars: driving for dollars in your local area, finding those fixer-upper houses. Two, using a software such as PropStream, where you can pull and aggregate motivated seller data inside of this. Allows you to target key areas and target distress by pulling these records, right? Think about pulling a record spreadsheet of 1,000 or 10,000 motivated seller records. And then from there, as we pop on over to the screen, you can start marketing from there, right? So if you want to send out that data to either get skip trace to get phone numbers, if you wanted to send it out to get your direct mail campaign sent out, whatever your preferred method of marketing, it all starts with building your list. So get out there, guys, and make it happen. We're going to dive in depth with some of the ninja marketing strategies, utilizing some of these tools where we're talking about outbound seller marketing.